everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Fashion Index account into a business profile. First, make sure you are logged in and then you want to go to the top left corner and refresh the page. It will then show a pop-up that reads, "You currently have a promotional trial account. Upgrade now to continue to enjoy the benefits of being a lister on Fashion Index." Click Upgrade Now and it will take you to the subscription plans page. There are 3 different plans: Intro, Preferred, and Premium. We wanted to make sure that we provided affordable prices that coincide with the benefits. You can read more about the benefits, but I will say these prices are amazing for the amount of exposure marketing, artwork, content, and resources our team will provide for your business. Then you will choose your payment plan and then click Get Started. This will take you to Stripe, where you will enter your card information and check out. Once you are finished, press subscribe and it will take you to the page where you will choose your business account type for your profile. For the sake of this video, we are going to update a current profile so you can see what it will look like when completed. I'm going to go to the top right corner and click on My Profiles, and this is where you can either edit or create a new profile. Another awesome benefit of subscribing is that you can create as many profiles as you want. Say you're a fabric supplier, but you're also a designer. You can make a profile for each business type. When you get to the business overview page, make sure you are filling out the page as thoroughly as you can. As you continue down, you will find icons where you can choose from multiple categories. We want you to be as detailed as you can, so if you have expertise in more than one area, make sure you select them. If you accidentally click one by mistake, just click it again for it to unselect. Make sure you include what sizes and target market is best suited for your business. This is another section where you can choose multiple options. When listing brands that you've worked with, type the brand name and then press enter. In the business description, you are able to add any other information that is applicable to your business. We encourage you to use bullet points in this section so it reads easier for viewers. When you're all finished, press Next, and it will take you to your business gallery page. Now here, you will upload your business logo and any images you would like included in your profile. You can add up to 4 images, but please make sure you are following the correct size dimensions. To make it easier, you can create a folder with images on your device so they're all in one place when adding them to this page. You can see the photos already in here. And then you're going to press Next, and this is going to take you to your contact information page. Make sure you are filling in all the information, and it is very important that you add your country, state, and city. If one of those sections is not filled out, it won't let you finish your profile. We're going to go down to the social media account section, and this is where you want to include the full URL. So for example, if you go to your LinkedIn page, you're going to want to copy that URL, and then you are going to paste it in the correct space. This way, if someone views your profile and wants to look at your social media, they can just click on the icon and it will take them straight there. When you're finished, click Update Profile, and it will show you your finished product. You can always add more or remove anything from your profile at any time. So here you can see all the information that you just put in. Here are the images. And then to the right, that is the LinkedIn page, as I mentioned. We hope this tutorial helps answer any questions you may have had, but if you need any additional help, please feel free to email us at info@fashionindex.com.